Hi guys, this is Hector. It's the 7th of June, it's noon Euro time, and I'm bored out of my mind. So markets are extremely quiet, so since we have some time, I have some time, well, I've decided to let you guys see the currency pairs I'm following. Very slow day actually. If you remember from my video yesterday, I'm in a open position in the 4 hours time frame on the Euro Canadian dollar. Right now it's plus 7 pips. It's been doing nothing at all throughout the day. Okay, do you see that? Sideways range. This was my entry level. I'm not gonna give this trade too much breathing room, because I am very impatient when it comes to holding a position in a market that's, well, is basically showing no momentum whatsoever. So if I see price breaking this range to the upside, okay, and breaking the 143 round number, I'm gonna manually close this trade for a minus 10 pips of loss. I can take. I have no problem taking a 10 pip loss. It's just, I just don't want to overstretch this situation too long. Basically, this trade was triggered, as I showed you yesterday, from okay, this in the direction of the trend. Okay, this formation breakout. Okay, a bounce of the dynamic area of support. Sorry, resistance, with with a reversal formation. Okay, in the trigger chart. Okay, right there, right of the dynamic area of support, breaking the retracement trend line, breaking the 143 level that had worked as support there. So broke there, and there's where I triggered my entry. Basically moving sideways, like I say. If it breaks to the downside, good. I'll stay in this trade. If it breaks to the upside, I will close it manually for minus 12 pips actually. All right. What else? I'm also following the CAT against the JPY in the 4 hours time frame. A very nice uptrend. Have a look at those moving averages, all pointing up, parallel to each other. Price nowhere near the 100, etc., etc. We also have a flat bottom triangle, right? Right there. Okay, finding support of the 114 round, round number. And where was I? Sorry, I just got a phone call and I got this. Oh, right, yeah. A flat bottom triangle, okay, with right off the 114.00 round number, okay. Also the 50% Fibonacci right there, bouncing off the dynamic area of support. Zooming into the trigger chart, I'm seeing a reversal formation as explained in the course. There's a particular reversal formation I tried. As usual, retracement trend line breaking to the upside in the as London opened this morning. Okay, sort of meandering around now. We've seen. Let me zoom in a little bit, guys, so you can see better. We've seen a few bars basically moving sideways here. You see this? I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. The setup looks very good. Okay, this breakout is not as clean as I'd like to. I like a breakout, retrace, and pull back, all of those three aspects in a clear fashion. This is a little bit, like I say, meander. Okay, green bar, red bar, green bar, red bar. Now green bar. Well, it's a bit scrappy, but nonetheless, I will indeed trigger my long entry as we make new lows for today at 114.80 right there. Stop loss will be placed up there. Okay, it's going to be a 42 pips stop loss. Right, that's the another Well, you can see the breakout retrace pattern a little bit more clearly in the setup chart in the 4 hours time frame. Okay, with that green bar followed by a red bar, and now I'd like to see another green bar in momentum to the upside. I will of course keep you updated if I do trigger that entry. Another one that I was liking was the GBP, the sterling pound against the Australian dollar. Two factors that keeping me away from this trade. First of all, of course, the interest rates are coming out in an hour. Not going to take any trade on that until that event is left on my back. Second, I like a retrace back to this area, to the 236.00 round number area. We have, in my opinion, is the strongest area of resistance. We have the round number, we have the 50% Fibonacci, which is my favorite one. We have this double bottom, okay, former support, hopefully now working as resistance, and the dynamic area of resistance comes around that. So if this thing shoots to the upside up to this level, I will search for a reversal formation in the shorter time frame, and I will short upon entry, upon signals, sorry. Let's see what else I have. Oh yeah, as usual, I always follow. It's been 3 months that this pair has been in my watch list. The USD Canadian dollar. Okay, beautiful downtrend as usual. I'm seeing a flat bottom triangle. All right. As usual, searching for a breakout to the downside. Any breakout to the upside will cancel the whole thing, will void the setup, and as usual my signal will be a breakout pullback continuation aspect, as usual below the 105.50 round number, making new lows for the week, and etc. Okay, I'm gonna be following this flat bottom triangle for a breakout to the downside. Okay. What else do I have? Yeah, I also have the euro against the Australian dollar. Plenty of setups as of lately. Actually, it's nice to see that we have a few options. I have few options to try. Similar setup, guys. Nice downtrend. Okay, you see all these the moving averages pointing down, parallel to each other, etc. I'm looking for a retrace back to the 160.00 round number. We have yesterday's low. At that point, we have the round number, and we have the 50% Fibonacci. Very similar setup that we've seen. I've just showed you on the GBP Australian dollar. Okay, right there. Well, this one is basically the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna be waiting for a retrace back to the 160.00 round number. I will search for a reversal formation in the shorter time frames, and if that pulls through, okay, if we do get indeed that reversal formation, I will short for an entry. Australian dollar, the Aussie. Fantastic people, Aussie people. I spent 3 months there a few years ago. Fantastic people, I love them. I hate Vegemite though. I can't believe how you guys can eat that shit. But well, never mind. Sorry about that, guys. All right, Aussie, 1 hour time frame. Beautiful uptrend as usual as per my moving averages. Had a nice thrust up overnight because of the employment data that came from Australia. Seems like those guys are doing well. The economy is doing all right. I was hoping for a retrace back to this area. We had a double top, 50% Fibonacci, and the dynamic area of support coming around this level. It seems a little bit reluctant, a little bit I don't know how to say that in English. He just doesn't want to give me that pullback. It's meandering sideways all day long. However, nonetheless, this is the area, the 084.40 level. I'm gonna be is the area I'm gonna be looking for a long entry from. Okay, right there. So if the Australian dollar gives me a retrace back here and a bounce to the upside, okay, I will consider my chances for a long opportunity. That's basically it, guys. Those are the setups I'm following today. Very slow day. That's why I had time to record this video. if anything triggers, if anything happens, I'll let you know. All right. For the time being, I'm only positioned on the euro CAD. Okay, as from yesterday. All right, guys. Bye bye.